Hello and welcome to ActivTrades biggest market movers. Today I'll be looking at the US dollar against the Canadian dollar. I'll be having a quick recap on this currency pair since we last looked at it, and I'll also be trying to identify the key technical levels going forward. So the US dollar CAD had been on a bull run, and yesterday we managed to move all the way up to the 132.35 area. What's noticeable about the US dollar CAD is that we were unable to break above the 200-day moving average, highlighted in pink, and we were also unable to break at the former high set around 132.50, and we have a large red reversal candle in front of us. So I think today it'll be very interesting to see if the US dollar CAD will sell off, or this is potentially a fake reversal candle and we will head up. If I have a look at the key technical levels, first of all, I'd like to talk about the 100-day and the 200-day moving averages. Like a lot of other US dollar pairs, we're currently sandwiched in between the both of them, with the 200-day at the top around the 132.60 area, and we have the 100-day around that crucial 129.80 to 90 area. If we have a look now at where the US dollar CAD may head to if we go to the upside, I think what it now needs to do is to take out yesterday's high around the 132.35. It needs to close above that key 200-day moving average on a weekly basis, and it needs to start to look strong above there. At the moment, we've opened up in Asia and it does appear soft, but the US dollar CAD, being a US dollar and Canadian dollar driven pair, tends to be more active in the US session, and we may see it come to life then. So what it then needs to do after the 200-day average, we have really the main two resistances at 133.20 and that old level 134.40. That may be the targets if we do start to bull out. Well, if we continue with the losses that we saw from the reversal yesterday, we may head to 130.50, and underneath that we have that old pivot which is currently sat just above the 100-day moving average at around the 129.90, and then below there we have the old support around the 128.40. And I think today it'll be really interesting to see what happens with the US dollar CAD, as we do have other currencies just starting to fight back in the commodity currencies range, such as the Aussie and the New Zealand dollar. Yesterday in the US session they did have a fight back, and they're currently sitting in the green for the day. Thank you very much. This has been ActivTrades biggest market movers, and you can trade the US dollar CAD for spreads as low as 1 pip.